Good.
Use the front. So if we go into
Hey, that's looking pretty sharp now. Now, all you need to do is add some more edges around the back end there. That's pretty good.
so
Yeah.
so would it be literally just adding them along like there or?
Yeah, that's right, yes. And you might have to, yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, now press 3, see what happens. Yeah, that's much better. Much nicer. So that is how you do hard edge loops. You might have to do it on a couple of the other bits on that model, but otherwise it's pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, you're probably going to have to add a few more down the bottom there, unless you're happy with it like that.
Oh, you mean on the sort of curve here?
Yeah, because look, they're not even attaching to your model there. They're sort of floating in space. So you're going to have to.
Add them in, right. Would they add in along?
Yes, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
Let's add in a few to just sure.
What I do is I normally add 2 or 3. If this was a game, you'd use normals to do that, which I will show you later. But for 3D printing purposes, this is absolutely fine.